Good morning.
Good morning, doctor. You are riding EM1E again.
This runs very quietly and smoothly. That's why I use it most of the time.
By the way, doctor, your scooter is getting dirty. I'll wash it for you.
That's very kind of you. But before that, let's check out what you should be careful about when you wash an electric scooter. You should be careful not to splash water all over the machine even with a gasoline-powered scooter, but with an electric scooter, there are more points to be noted.
I also want to learn them.
First, you have to check before washing. The scooter must have cooled down, which is the same as for the gasoline-powered scooter.
That's exactly the same with a gasoline-powered scooter. Is it all right to wash the motor with water?
You should not use a high-pressure cleaner, but just washing with water is all right. The motor becomes particularly hot after riding, and you should make it sure that it has cooled down before washing.
I see you must not use a high-pressure cleaner.
If high-pressure water is splashed all over the scooter, a failure may occur in the electrical system. It is important to wash gently with slow water flow.
As for the electrical system, there is a 12-volt battery underneath the steps, am I right?
That's right. If you wash the steps with a high-pressure cleaner, the 12-volt battery may get splashed all over with water. And of course, the drive battery should not be splashed with water. Even wiping with wet cloth is not allowed.
Is it all right to wipe clean with dry cloth?
That's fine. But if you touch a terminal directly, it may start rusting, which may cause the motor to stop working.
I see. I'll be careful not to touch the terminals at the bottom of the battery and the other terminals located where the battery is installed.
And EM1E comes with 3 owner's manual. In addition to the one that covers the scooter, there are one specifically for the battery and another for the battery charger. You should read all of them carefully. And one more thing. Always be ready to visit a Honda dealer if you have a question or concern about maintenance.